Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to close your OnePay account using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Next, tap on your profile icon or menu icon, usually in the top right or bottom corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down and look for the option that says account settings or manage account. Tap on it. Inside account setting, you will see a option that says close account or delete account. Tap on that option. The app will ask you to confirm your decision. OnePay may also ask for a reason why you want to close your account. You can select one or skip this step. It's optional. Before closing, make sure you withdraw any remaining balance in your account. You won't be able to access it after the account is deleted. After confirming, tap close account or delete account again. OnePay may ask you to verify your identity, like entering your password or OTP sent through SMS or email. Enter it to complete the process. Once confirmed, your OnePay account will be permanently closed. You will no longer have access and all your account data will be removed. And that's it. You have successfully closed your OnePay account using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.